I'm done, fam. I'm done. I'm just done. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back. Um, it took me a minute, couple days in fact, to settle down from that game. It took me a couple days to calm down. So I'm going to give you my reaction to the game, how I feel about how the team is playing, and how we should do moving forward in the summer if we survived to the summer. Now, hear me out keenly. Manchester United has been shit. We know this for the past 10 years. Up and down, up and down. Today it's been done. No, this year has been nothing but down. And I don't know what the solution is at the moment. The coach don't know what the fucking solution is at the moment. However, I know that these players are absolute shit. Yeah? Absolute garbage, fam. Complete shitbags. However, however, we need to do something for the end of the season because we can't survive like this. We cannot. I refuse to survive like this. No, I said I am done and I am completely done with this season. I am done completely. When I watch football now, it's just about the joy of watching football. I don't care about the games anymore. I was mad as fuck the other day. I was completely mad. I was completely upset after that game. Cussing ass heart a bumbo clad. I couldn't make a reaction because at least we become a cousin. That's a different situation. However, I was so fucking mad, bro. I could not bring myself to it because we it's not like we Tottenham outplayed us and we didn't do anything. Both teams were shit. Yes. But Manchester United had so much clear cut opportunities to put the ball in at the net, and these man could not. The love of God convert. I don't know why, I don't know how, but shit, yo, you guys are absolute fucking shit, bro. Garnacho, I said last week or the week before that you're down to the levels, down to my ankle, but you're raising up a little bit. But last week, this last game showed me that you, man, are absolutely shit. There's no way you're going to be in this team next year. Absolutely no way you're going to be in this team next year. So, the little 150 that you're asking Napoli for, drop it down a little bit to about 100 so you can take it because I guarantee you there's no way you can play for that team next year. Amorim will not play on this. Do you see that fucking brother, brother, Dalo, you play up on the left? Shit. You play up on the right? Bigger shit. You don't play up on the team next year. I hear news on Twitter that Amorim is looking to bring in the youth that Joseph City and Ghana, Saudi Arabia. I might bring him back. The Portuguese guy. Bring him back. At least he can score. At least he can get 1 or 2 goals every season, fam. Yeah? Bring him back. Bring him come because in Portuguese might have a chance. He used to play for City, but I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't care anymore, fam. What the fuck is going on with this team, bro? The team. Okay, before we go any further, Ahmad, you had a great season. A wonderful, wonderful breakout season. Them no one started in the first part of the season. That was Ten Hag fault, but you just stepped up and you brought joy to Manchester United fans. I am mad that you're not going to be playing anymore. I am mad, but take a rest. We'll see you next season. Rest of man them. Rest of the bumbucker man them. Hey, Make a quick video. Yeah. See you later. Give me a picture for the boys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. See you later. No, me no. No, remember, Amarin's been asking for a week, 2 weeks just to train the man and bring the man up, yeah? Me no get injured within a week. Bugatti injured within a week. Collier injured within a week. Ericsson ill. Euro ill. That's how we entire midfield and defense, bro. Out for the count. What, bro? What, bro? What Amarin's been asking for a week to play, just to teach man to make a football. Teach him how he want to play. And two toes, boom. You get 4 or 5 inches in a week, bro. What the fuck? That the core of the football, the team, the core of the fucking team. How can Manchester United be so shit and so unlucky? I don't know. I'm not believe in the science thing and oh them, them are them unlucky. Somebody put that a squirrel or whatever, and I don't know fam, but this thing don't make sense, bro. This thing don't make no bumbuck sense, fam. I am so fucking confused, bro. I am so fucking confused. And listen to me keenly, okay? I'm a Manchester United fan. I will always be a Manchester United fan. But for this season, me done. I am done. I will only report on the news and couple games I will watch every week and tell them how I feel about the game. But as of now, I am not gonna be emotionally invested in Manchester United because the man them not gonna raise up my blood pressure. You will not raise up my blood pressure, Manchester United. So listen me. As of now, Manchester United, we are done. I will see you next season. I will start again, fresh, ready to go. With my hands up in the air, glory, glory, man, United. What? No, no. No. Me done with you. I am done with you, Manchester United. I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this once. Manchester United, Ruben Amorim, Manchester United football playing staff. You are a set of shit. See you next season. Bye bye.